This is a used 2004 Chevrolet Malibu, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include alloy rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, a trip computer, privacy glass, air conditioning. Safety was made a priority with these features: independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Coons Country Auto Group, Inc. is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 200 West Commercial Avenue, Mount Carroll, Illinois 61053.